Hi, it's Lindsay from Buy, Sell, Love Durham. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of my Tuesday morning market update. It's my opportunity every week to share with Oshawa, Whitby and Clarington just what's happening. Today is a bit of a special update. It's more on what's going on with our local real estate community with this the coronavirus. So I'd like to first start off with this. It's a little teaser. 71% of all houses that sold in Whitby last week sold for full price or more than asking. We're in a rock star market. So let me just jump straight into my thoughts on kind of what's going on locally. Brene Brown, one of my favorite authors, has a quote: if you take people who are in uncertainty and you sell them certainty, you can give them an enemy to blame for their pain. If you do that, you can sell them just about anything. So what I'm seeing in our local community right now, there's a lot of snake oil salesmen. So who are the snake oil salesmen that are out there today? They're your neighbor, they're the person on Facebook that's promoting some conspiracy theory. It's all these kind of craziness that's going on out there that's pandering fear. So they're not outside forces, they're the local community that's doing this. How does this manifest itself? The fear manifests itself by panic buying, by hoarding, by continuing the looping of these negative thoughts that move forward. So one of my favorite quotes of all time has been this: worry about things you have control over. And I've kind of lived my business and my life that way. What we don't have control over right now, we don't have control over what our government does. We don't have control over what other governments do. I mean, we can just, with our own government, we can just trust that they are doing whatever they can do in our best interest. So my focus over the next little while is this. I'm going to focus on my clients. I'm going to focus on their well-being and their investments. I'm also going to spend time focusing on who truly is vulnerable in our community right now. That would be the elderly, the children, and people who are fragile. And that would be either fragile physically or fragile mentally. I'm also going to support small businesses. I'm standing here in front of Brock Street Espresso in Whitby, and we were in there buying a coffee today. I'm supporting small businesses because you know what? The big chains are going to be able to ride it through this. The small guys like Brock Street Brewery, these are the guys that we need to support. So I'm going to highly recommend spend money, go out and spend money in our local community. Also, if there's a way that you can help a charity out or help feeding people, I would highly recommend we do that. So let's just jump straight into the numbers. In the last 7 days, we've had 298 homes come to market. That means newly listed for sale. So we're up from 279 the week before. Here's where it gets exciting. Conditionally sold, we've had 130 houses sell conditionally. We've had 193 houses sell firm. That's 323 houses that have sold, which is unbelievable. That's up 67 from the week before. Given everything that's happened in the last week, what this proves is this: we've got a rock star market right now. The rates fell again to 3/4 of a point, the Bank of Canada Prime on Friday. What I'm going to suggest is over the next couple of weeks, yes, there's going to be some shock out there in the marketplace, but I think that people are going to still continue to buy houses and get good deals, and the sellers are going to be moving on. So if there's any way we can help you, Wendy and I, over the next couple of weeks, please feel free to reach out to us. We can be reached at 905 area code 743-5555, or you can catch me at the email address at the bottom of the screen. Have a great, safe, and healthy week. Oshawa, Whitby and Clarington.